welcome back, and today I'll be showing you how to transfer a plant to a pot. And right now I'll be using an example of a geranium. So this geranium is called Attar of Rose, and it's really special because the leaves are scented. They smell like roses, and they smell really good. And they have really pretty pale pink flowers. So what you need is a pot, and this pot is pretty special because it has this attached plate, and there's a hole right here, you can see it, right here. And what happens is the water drains out from this hole and into the plate, and then the plant stays moist. So what else I'm going to need is some potting soil and perlite, and I'll show you how to make that, our plant, and our pot, and that's it. So I already have some potting soil and perlite already mixed and left over from a previous video. So I'm just going to pour this into here. And it's not going to be enough, so I'm just going to make more. So first I'm going to get my basic potting soil. This potting soil doesn't have any perlite in it, so I want to make sure that I add perlite so that it can drain well. Now I want to add my perlite, and I want to add it at 2 parts soil and 1 part perlite, about like that. And give it a good mix. So this is about a good mixture, a good ratio of perlite to soil. And now I'm going to add that, and it doesn't look like it's going to be enough. So I'm just going to continue doing that until my pot is full enough for me to transfer my Attar of Rose geranium. So it looks like it's a good level for the geranium because if you see, it's got this amount. So if I put it in there, that's about good because some of the soil will fall off. So now I'm going to put on my gloves, and I'm going to take the geranium out. So right now I'm just trying to squeeze the geranium out, and I want to be really careful because it's got some long fragile arms that can get swept off very easily. Okay. So I'm just going to make a little bit of a hole for it so that it's underneath this level because you don't want the soil that it's in showing. You want to add a little bit. So I'm just going to massage the roots a little bit so it stimulates growth and loosen up whatever excess soil that is on it. I want to be really careful when I'm massaging the roots because you don't want to hurt the roots or snap anything. Okay, so now you just want to place your plant into your pot with about 1 inch left from the lid, from the lip of the pot. And then you just want to hold it in place and then fill dirt around it. And you want to make sure that your plant is nice and level. Okay, so now that I'm finished with potting it, I want to make sure that when I'm potting it, I didn't bury any of the leaves. So it should be pretty good now. It's nice and sturdy, and it's just going to grow more in this pot. And I want to give it a really nice soak until water comes out of the bottom. And then it'll fill the plate, and then it'll keep the plant nice and moist. Okay, so now that I'm done potting, I want to water it till water comes out of the bottom. So I'm going to water it right at the base of the plant, and I want to make sure that I don't get any of the leaves wet, because if you get the leaves wet, they might rot, but it's not that big a deal. Okay, so now if you see, there's water slowly coming out of the bottom, and it's filling the plate. So it should fill up a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more water would do, but that should be good. So now that it's done, I want to put it in a sunny area where it'll get a lot of sun and it'll bloom really nicely and it'll grow a lot bigger. If you liked and learned something from this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button so that you get post notifications every time I post a new video. See you next time. Bye!